Here's how you can connect your Google account with the UniFi Plus box using your remote control. First, pair your remote control with the UniFi Plus box by pressing both buttons simultaneously. Once the pairing connection is successful, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Choose to sign in with your remote control. Continue to sign in by keying in your Google account email and password. Proceed to accept the terms of service. Then, enable your location and submit diagnostic information to Google. The UniFi Plus box packs in all these cool features at your fingertips. Finally, key in your UniFi TV ID and password. Congratulations! You have now unlocked the best entertainment from UniFi Plus box with our live channels, on-demand programs, and pre-installed apps.